Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anjali Shakti. So today I'm going to review an exciting product. This is rose water from Greenworth. This is how the packaging looks like, and it says it's 100% natural and pure. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a natural rose water. It also comes with a spray nozzle, which is really helpful to directly spray on the face. And I really like when a product comes with a nozzle spray. It usually helps when we apply the makeup and just use the rose water as a toner or just a face mist or anything. And this is what the bottles look like, and it is 200 ml water. You can find two variants in Amazon. One is 200 ml and one is 400 ml, and guys, it is really worth the value. One thing that I really like about this natural rose water is it contains no alcohol, no preservatives, no harmful chemicals, and no artificial fragrances. In our daily lives, we use products with a lot of chemicals that it might or might not suit our skin, but as it contains all the natural ingredients, it is harmless to our skin, and I highly recommend as it has all natural products and it will suit all skin types as well. Guys, let's talk about the 5 different ways that we can use this rose water. So first thing that we all follow are the 3 basic CTM mantra, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and most of the time toner gets lost. I mean, it is almost being ignored, and if not, there are lots of chemical toners which I personally had very bad experience because it's usually burst out. My skin is really sensitive, so I highly and I always recommend natural toners like just like this rose water. So instead of using chemical toners, you can always opt for this rose water, and rose water really helps your skin get hydrated very instantly. Uh, Toning is one of the very significant step in our skincare routine, as it removes all the debris, dirt, oil that is remaining in our skin after cleansing. So as rose water is also very gentle in nature, it also maintains our pH balance. See, another way that you can use this rose water, you can use this to control the under eye puffiness. Usually the reason for the under eyes puffiness is caused due to stress, anxiety, lack of sleep, and more screen time. As we have the thinnest lining under the eye, usually the liquids get filled up and our eyes get swollen up. So it usually goes with a cold compress or just a spray, and slightly massage it, and you can keep through overnight, and next morning you can see the changes and your eyes being really in. And if you want to see the instant result for eye puffiness, you can just keep this bottle in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours, and spray it on a cotton pad and place it on your eyes. Keep it for like 5 to 10 minutes and you can see the change very instantly. Here's another way you can use this rose water. In our day-to-day life, we usually use makeup removers, and we often just ignore the fact that it contains alcohol, and one or the other way it harms our skin. So you can use this natural rose water as a makeup remover as well. Just mix the rose water with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or almond oil. Mix it properly and then massage it on your face very gently, and just wipe off with the cotton pads, and you can see the makeup is been. Now let's talk using rose water as a face mist. Most of the time, most of the time I use rose water for my face mist only, because when I use this as a face mist, it is restored, it hydrates my skin, it sets my makeup, and also the glow that I get after applying this rose water as a mist is incredible. Of using this rose water as a face mist, It cleanse tone the skin, and it also hydrates and restore the pH balance. Just a spray on the face or a sweaty skin will quickly hydrate the skin, and you can do this as many times as you like in a day, and it's as it contains only natural ingredients, it's really no harmful to this. Well, throughout the video I've been saying that rose water hydrates the skin very instantly, hydrates it really quickly. So here's another way that you can use this rose water and it's really effective is you can use this on your any face mask. You can also add it in multani mitti, that is a natural mud. So when you add this rose water in multani mitti, you get that, you know, the rose fragrances, and the effect that you see after applying the face pack with the rose water is really effective. And that is it from my end. So do let me know in the comment section how you use your rose water, and do you also use rose water as a face mist, natural makeup remover, or in a face pack. I've also heard people using rose water on hair, eyelashes, nails, that I haven't really used it yet. But if you have used it, do let me know in the comment section and the changes you have been seeing after using it on the hair, eyelashes and nails. Alright. Thank you really for watching the video, and do like, comment and subscribe and support me. Thank you.